A day in my school. Today was a fun day at school. We had art class, and I got to paint my favorite animal, a dolphin. I mixed blue and green colors to make the ocean, and my dolphin looked so happy jumping through the waves. My friends admired my painting, and I felt proud. Later, we had a science lesson about planets. I learned that Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. We even made a model of the planets using different sized balls. It was exciting to see them all together. At lunchtime, I shared my snacks with my friends. We laughed and talked about our favorite games. School is a great place to learn and have fun. I love my teachers and friends, and I can't wait to see what we will learn tomorrow.